Test Series 16. First question is Chabahar port is located in option A Afghanistan, B Pakistan, C Iran, D Qatar. So the correct answer is option C Iran. Next, second question, consider the following pairs. First statement is Hubble Space Technology, NASA. Second statement, Tianyan Telescope, JAXA. Third is James Webb Space Technology, ESA. So, which of the above mentioned pairs is correct? Option A 1, B 1 and 2, C 3, D 2 and 3. So, the correct answer is option A. Okay, only first statement is correct. And here, Tianyan Telescope is actually from China, and the second James Webb Space Technology is from NASA. So the third question, what is Google tax in India? Option A, it is paid by every employee working in private organization. Option B, it is a tax levied on foreign e-commerce companies' income. Option C, it is a tax imposed by the Indian government on the companies according to the dividend paid to the company's investors. Option D, none. So here the correct answer is option B. So it is a tax levied on foreign e-commerce companies' income. Now fourth question, consider the following countries. 1 Israel, 1 India, 2 Israel, 3 Iran, 4 South Korea. So which of the above mentioned countries are not part of non-proliferation treaty? Option A 1 and 3, B 2 and 4, C 1 and 2, D 1 and 4. Here, non-proliferation treaty is an international treaty and its objective is to prevent the spread of nuclear weapons and weapon technology and to also promote peace. Okay, actually there are 5 permanent members. They are US, Russia, UK, France and China. So, and over 191 countries are part of this treaty. So here option C, that is 1 and 2, India and Israel are not part of this non-proliferation treaty. Now coming to fifth question, what is the Brasilia Declaration? Option A, Platform for Action for Gender Equality. Option B, pledges to fight against global terrorism. C, to reduce road accidents and improve road safety. D, enhancement of the role and participation of the persons with disabilities. So the correct answer is option C. Sixth question, consider the following statements on Indian polity. First statement, both president and governor can pardon, reprieve, respite and suspend the punishments president on central laws and governor on state laws respectively. Second statement, both president and governor can pardon death sentence. Third statement, president alone has the authority to pardon the punishment imposed by the court martial. So which of the above statements are correct? Option A 1, B 1 and 3, C 2 and 3, D 1, 2 and 3. So the correct answer is option B, 1 and 3 statements are correct. Okay. Second statement is wrong because only president has the pardoning power of death sentence. Okay. And governor doesn't have the power to pardon death sentence. So seventh question, consider the following about unified payment interface. First statement, UPI money is transferred immediately on bank working days. Second statement, it is a system that powers multiple bank accounts into a single mobile application. So which of the above following statements are correct? Option A 1, B 2, C 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. So the correct answer is option A, only one statement. First statement is correct. Eighth question, Sendai Framework is an international agreement adopted for option A, facilitating access to published works for persons who are visually impaired. Option B, empowerment of adolescent girls and young women. Option C, disaster risk reduction. Option D, none. So the correct answer is option C. Ninth question, consider the following statements regarding Indian Agni series. So first statement, Agni 1 is indigenously built nuclear capable ballistic missile which can hit a target of 700 kilometers away. Second statement, Agni 4 is a nuclear capable strategic ballistic missile with a range of more than 4,000 kilometers. Statement number 3, Agni 5 can carry a nuclear warhead over a distance of more than 5,000 kilometers. So which of the following statements are correct? Option A 1, B 1 and 2, C 2 and 3, D 1, 2 and 3. So here the correct statement is option D. Okay, all these statements are correct. 10th question, consider the following statements regarding difference between tropical and temperate cyclones. So first statement is tropical cyclones is frontal in origin, whereas temperate is thermal in origin. Second statement, there is heavy rainfall in tropical cyclones, whereas low rainfall in temperate. Third statement, tropical cyclone forms in both sea and on land, whereas temperate forms only on land. So which of the following are correct? Option A 1 and 2, B 2, C 2 and 3, D 3. So option B, that is 2, is correct answer, because here in the first statement it is not tropical cyclone, rather it is extra tropical cyclone is frontal in origin. Okay, next here tropical cyclone forms in both sea and land, right? This is wrong, because tropical cyclones forms only on the warm water of oceans, okay, near equator. So these 1 and 3 statements are wrong, only 2 is right. So option B is the correct answer. 11th question, consider the following pairs regarding traditional sports in India. So first is Jallikattu Tamil Nadu, second is Kambala Kerala, third is Balgadi Shariat Maharashtra. So which of the following are correctly matched? Option A 1, B 1 and 2, C 3, D 1 and 3. So here the correct answer is option D 1 and 3. Here Kambala is in Karnataka. Okay, it is a sport played in Karnataka, not Kerala. So 1 and 3 statements are correct. So option D is the correct answer. Now coming to 12th question, consider the following duties. First is respect national flag and national anthem. Second, protect and improve the natural environment. Third, develop the scientific temper. Fourth, equality in education and wages. So which of the above statements mentioned duties are listed in Article 51A? Option A 1 and 2, B 2, 3 and 4, C 1, 2 and 3, D 1 and 3. So here the correct answer is option C 1, 2 and 3. Now 13th question, consider the following statements. Cassini spacecraft, Bennu asteroid. Second statement, Osiris REX spacecraft, study of comet 67P or Churyumov, Gerasimenko. Next is third, Juno spacecraft, Jupiter. So which of the following statements are correct? Option A 1 and 2, B 2, C 3, D 1, 2 and 3. So here option C is the correct answer, because here the Cassini spacecraft is for Saturn, okay, to study Saturn, and it was sent by NASA. And Osiris REX spacecraft is the study of Bennu asteroid. Okay, it is an asteroid which is very close to Earth. So 1 and 2 are wrong. So option C is correct. Only third statement is correct. 14th question, consider the following diseases. 1, Japanese encephalitis. 2, dengue. 3, Zika virus. So which of the above mentioned is mosquito-borne disease? Option A 1 and 2, B 2, C 2 and 3, D 1, 2 and 3. So option D 1, 2 and 3. All the statements are correct. 15th question, which of the following determine the amount of phytoplankton in ocean waters? First statement, ocean current. Second, temperature and salinity. 3, depth of ocean water. 4, length of day and night. So which of the statements are correct? Option A 1, 2 and 3, B 1 and 3, C 2 and 4, D 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here the correct answer is option D 1, 2, 3 and 4. All these statements are correct. 16th question, consider the following statements relating to civil disobedience movement. First statement is, by the Gandhi and Irwin Pact, the Congress agreed to suspend the civil disobedience movement. Second statement, by the Gandhi Irwin Pact, the government promised to release all political prisoners not convicted for violence. So, which of the statements given above is correct? Option A 1, B 2, C 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. So, here the correct answer is option C, 1 and 2 statements are correct. 17th question, consider the following statements. 1. As regards legislative powers, the governor of state is not a part of state legislature. Second statement, the governor of state has no emergency powers to meet the situation arising from external aggression. So, which of the statements are correct? Option A 1, B 2, C 1 and 2, D none. So, here the correct answer is option B. Only second statement is correct. Okay, why? Because the governor of a state is part of state legislature. Okay, state legislature itself contains governor plus either of two houses. Okay, if it is bicameral legislature, both the houses, that is upper house and lower house, will be present, or it is only unicameral, then it will be only one house. Okay, so it contains governor. So, first statement is wrong. Only 2 is correct. So, B will be the correct answer. Now, coming to 18th question. Barak 8 missiles are a joint development of 1. India and Russia. Option A, India and Russia. B, India and France. C, India and Israel. D, India and Japan. So, here option C is the correct answer. It is a joint development of India and Israel. 18th question, 19th question. Consider the following statements regarding Antarctica. So, first statement, it doesn't have any seasons. Second, it is a desert. Third, it has no trees or bushes. So, which of the statements are correct? Option A 1, B 1 and 2, C 2 and 3, D 1, 2 and 3. So, option C, that is 1, 2 and 3 are correct because Antarctica has seasons. Okay. So, first statement is wrong. It is a desert and it has no trees. Both the statements are correct. So, option C will be the correct answer. Now, coming to 20th question. Consider the festivals of India. 1. Bihu, Arunachal Pradesh. 2. Hornbill, Manipur. 3. Losar, Assam. So, which of the following statements are not correctly matched? Option A 1, B 1 and 3, C 2, D 1, 2 and 3. So, here the correct answer is option D 1, 2 and 3. Anything is not correctly matched because Bihu is a festival of Assam, Hornbill is a festival of Nagaland, Losar is a festival of Ladakh. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. 21st question, consider the following regarding yoga. First statement, it was practiced during Indus Valley civilization. Second statement, Maharshi Patanjali is the first yoga guru. Third statement, it is a part of UNESCO's list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity. So, which of the following are correct? Option A 1, B 2 and 3, C 2, D 1 and 3. So, option D is the correct answer. 1 and 3 statements are correct. 22nd question, consider the following statements regarding Paikas and their rebels against British in 1817. First statement, Paikas were natives of Bengal. Second statement, Paikas were both farmers and mercenaries. Third statement, they rebelled against the British land revenue policies. So, which of the above statements are correct? Option A 1 and 2, B 1 and 3, C 2 and 3, D 1, 2 and 3. So, the correct answer is option C, 2 and 3 statements are correct. Okay. Here, Paikas are natives of Odisha, not Bengal. Now, 23rd question, which of the below mentioned items are listed in concurrent list of 7th schedule? 1. Education. 2. Forest. 3. Water. So, which of the above statements are correct? Option A 1 and 2, B 2 and 3, C 1 and 3, D 1, 2 and 3. So, here the correct answer is option A 1 and 2. Education and forest are under concurrent list, whereas water is a state list of subject. 24th question, consider the following statements. 1. Mining. 2. Agriculture. 3. Archaeology. Which of the above mentioned is or are applications of LIDAR, light detection and ranging? Option A 1, B 1 and 3, C 2 and 3, D 1, 2 and 3. So here the correct answer is option D. Mining, agriculture, archaeology are the applications of LIDAR. 25th question, Urja Ganga project is related to option A, to protect the Gangetic dolphins in Ganges river. B, to remove the water pollution and conservation of Ganges river. C, to protect the Ganges floodplains. D, to provide piped cooking gas to residents. So here the option D is correct. Okay, Urja Ganga project is related to provide piped cooking gas to residents.